and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, you guys, I'll be showing you guys how to do a glueless install using only the Got To Be spray. Yes, the yellow can free spray everybody's familiar with. I'm going to show you guys how I gluelessly install this hair. I got this hair from AliExpress. It is a 16-inch deep wave Brazilian. I don't know. I will leave the link down in the description for this wig. I'm loving the texture of it, but that's not what we're here for. We're not here for a review. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair, and I'm not going to go into detail about the curly routine or anything about that, because if you guys don't know, I posted one of those videos on my channel before. I think it's called the wet and wavy look. Make sure you guys go check that video out. But if you guys are excited to learn how to get this wig on your head without all that glue, subscribe to the channel right now. If you are new, like this video, and I want to see some comments down in the comment section. Okay, tell me some things you think I might have done wrong. I am not a professional, by no means necessary am I saying I'm a professional. Everybody do you, boo. Okay, do you. I'm just showing you guys how I install this wig for myself. So without further ado, we finna get right into this video.
Hi ladies, so I have my cap on, but before we get into this video, please don't come for me for this one nail. It hurts, it burns when I use fingernail polish remover, but we're gonna get right into it. So I couldn't find any wig caps that's close to my skin tone, or really any wig caps at all, at a couple of beauty stores that I went to. So I'm using pantyhose, and hopefully that works. If it gets too tight, I'll just cut the band once I have the wig on. This wig is from AliExpress. I will put the link down in the description for the deets on this. It is a deep curly wig. It is bomb. You guys know I love the wet and wavy. My husband actually loves wet and wavy, so he was my inspo for this hairstyle. But like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys a glueless method. And I wanted to show you that I did bleach the knots. This is my first time bleaching knots, and I did do a little fail on it. I'm not scared to tell you guys, because like I said, it was my first time. In the front, as you can see, the hairline, it looks kind of black, like I just missed the front, but I actually didn't. I actually went in with some black dye, because when I bleached it, I over bleached the hairline and it was blonde. So when I went on YouTube and looked at ways to fix that, a lot of people were saying to go in with some black dye. I did, but it kind of bled in to the knots again. So we're gonna go and cut these ear tabs off now, but I'm gonna do that off camera so I can make sure that I am precise. So you guys want to make sure that the cap is adjusted to your head before you go in with this Got To Be spray. That is all that we will be using today. This is the glueless method. Some people use the bold glue or the whole glue or whatever glue it is, but I don't want to use any glue this time. I'm gonna go in and just spray the hairline all the way around. That's why I said I wanted to, you guys have to make sure that the cap is in the correct position that you want it to lay. It can't slide, it can't do any of that, because once you put this on, it is not going anywhere. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going in and kind of raking my comb through it, pressing it with the back of the comb, just to make sure that the spray is setting in. I will be going in with a blow dryer to dry this, but I just want to make sure that I can press it in myself first and get it in the right position so the wig will not move when I get ready to blow dry. Because once you blow dry, it is set in, sis. Make sure you are spraying the tabs because those lift the easiest. For some reason, this area will lift the most. So make sure you're putting enough free spray there to hold it down. And like I said before, we're going to go in with the blow dryer just to secure everything into place. The heat helps the lace melt into the skin. So make sure you guys are going back and forth with the blow dryer in between each spray. We're going to go in and make sure we getting those tabs again. We're doing the other ear now. And like I said, we're going to be doing the whole scarf and all of those things, but right now we're just trying to make sure that everything is in place. Alright ladies, so now we're going to go in on the perimeter of the hairline and spray. We're spraying the hairline so that this time we make sure everything is secure. Like I said, you want to go across your hairline at least 2 or 3 times and then blow dry it just to make sure everything is in place. As you can see, the tab keeps rising, so I'm just trying to go back in and make sure that it is stuck to this face. Yes, just like that. Now that everything is stuck where it needs to be, I'm gonna cut this lace off now. So as you guys can see, it does leave kind of a white cast around the perimeter of your head, but no worries, we're gonna go right back in and we're gonna spray directly onto the lace where it is lifting, just to make sure that it is getting melted down. And this process takes a little bit longer because I'm just doing section by section on my head, and you're taking the end of your comb and pressing it down firmly to make sure that there is no lace lifting. The blow dryer is also helping to make sure the lace stays down. You really want to take your time and do this if you want undetectable lace, okay? Now, as you can see, the lace is down, honey. So you can still see a little bit of the lace, but that's just because of what I told you guys in the beginning of the video. When I tried to bleach the front area, it would blend in a lot more if I would have went back in and bleached the hairline, but I didn't. So we're just going to cover that up with some foundation later. But right now, I'm just going to start working on these baby hairs, and I'm going to figure out which way I want to part my hair. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal, so I really can part it any way I want to. You can do a half up, half down, but your girl likes side parts because I be trying to hide this forehead of mine. The most difficult part of wearing a wig for your girl Jazz is the baby hairs. Me having to cut my own baby hairs and figure out a way for them to look natural is so difficult. I don't know why. I can do a pretty good job when it comes to my own natural hair doing baby hairs, but when it comes to this, I am no expert. So honestly, it was very hard for me to try to do baby hairs on camera, so I had to do them off camera, as you guys will see. But first, I'm going to cut the lace off that's in the back, because I do have a little piece of lace in the back that I forgot about. I later realized in this video that after wearing this wig for like 2 days, I decided that I did actually cut too much hair in the front for my baby hairs. So make sure you guys are doing a little at a time. Don't part the whole hairline and start cutting and trimming and all of that stuff, because you never know how it's going to turn out in the end. I definitely put out way too much hair. But we're going to go in after spraying behind your baby hairs and put a scarf on just so that it will melt. Okay, you need the lace to melt into your skin. It's not going to do it unless you tie it down. Sorry for the little intermission. I got a little nauseous in the bathroom, you guys. A little bit nauseous, but I'm doing good now. Now, y'all see how that lace is in there, okay? I can pull this mug and it's not going anywhere. So like I said, I just went in and just started cutting and cutting and cutting, and honestly I just had way too much hair out. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let this video play so y'all can see the end result. Okay, right now the only thing that I do for my baby hairs is mousse. I use mousse to lay them down because I feel like they do look a little bit more natural.
I'm gonna do my baby hairs off camera. Guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you're feeling your girl Jazz. Bye.